Hi there, it's Jodi. I wanted to share with you what I'm up to this week with my stamping projects. And I am using the Calming Camellia stamp set. This one is one you might have missed, and let me tell you why. Most of you are aware that it's our Sale-a-Bration promotion. This has started in January and ends at the end of this month. You know about it because you know you get to choose some free products when you place orders this month or during Sale-a-Bration. But what you might have missed is this one in the back. In the brochure, it's on page 17. You get this free if you place an order that's 300 or more. Now, don't let that number scare you. That can be 300 of just your products, your order, or you could get orders from a couple of friends and do it all together. But whichever way you go about getting there, when it reaches 300, you get this bonus stamp set for free. So if it was me and I could do it, I would do that order during February because I would get to pick a ton of free options from my Sale-a-Bration brochure, plus get this bonus stamp set. So let me show you a little bit about what I've been doing with it. So I'm going to use this large floral image here. Now this is one of our stamps that are called distinctive because of all of that detail. The way it's designed, there are parts of it that are going to hold more ink and stamp darker. And then there are areas that are just a really light touch and only have a little bit of ink. So I'm using some basic white and I'm using Gorgeous Grape. So I'm going to open that, tap my stamp across the ink pad, get it inked up pretty well. You can even see the way it looks on the stamp. Like you might feel like you don't have quite enough in certain spots, which you may or may not, but it's really because of that distinctive stamp style. All right, so let's give it a shot here. So again, this is just basic white cardstock. And I'm going to line this up. Give it some good pressure. It is a bigger image, so you do want to give it some good pressure. And then you have your gorgeous floral image. Look at the depth. Like you can see those leaves. There is so much depth and detail on that stamped image. It is just gorgeous. Now, when I put that on the Gorgeous Grape cardstock, it really is nice in the way it pops right out on the cardstock. But one thing I want to do is add something that's going to make a huge difference. I'm going to take the same stamp, the same ink pad, so it's Gorgeous Grape again, and I'm just going to go around and stamp the same image like a border on the outside of the card base. So I'm just kind of altering it, kind of twisting it as I go. Let me stop there for a moment and put this back on so you can see. Do you see the way it looks on this side as opposed to this over here? It's something so easy and basic just to stamp the back of the card base, the background there, but it adds so much. So let's go ahead and finish just so you can see the completed look. But it's something that's so easy to do, just to take, you don't have to have one of the big background images. Of course, that just makes it happen in one step, but you can take any size. You could take a smaller image too and just stamp it repeatedly all around the background. Add this layer in the center. Doesn't it just change it so much? I love doing that, and especially with this distinctive image and the depth that you see there. I did another one here, and I just wanted to pull that in and show you. I added some vellum, some of the in-color vellum that's got some shimmer to it, and of course the birthday greeting. But just, I mean, a rainbow of colors. You could do this monochromatic like this in so many different colors. So I challenge you to try that, whether it's with this image or a different one that you have. But like I said, when you do your $300 order, whether it's you or you and some friends, when you get that submitted by the end of the month, you'll get this just as a free bonus, plus all of that other Sale-a-Bration product that you get to choose. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.